Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare pizza fondue. Pizza fondue is something that you can serve when you have friends around or with family. You can enjoy this. It's a very nice and healthy recipe basically. I've used cheese and all natural ingredients and I prepared everything from scratch. So it was very nice and tasty. Especially kids will love this pizza fondue. You have to prepare a lot of condiments and dip it in the sauce and eat it. It turned out really good. My parents and we enjoyed it. It is very nice and cheesy sauce. So let's look into the process and get started. I'll be preparing the sauce first. For the sauce we'll need tomatoes, onion, garlic, 1 chili and capsicum. Very flavorful and very tasty sauce. And a Italian seasoning, paprika and garlic powder. So I've heated a wok with enough water to boil all the ingredients. I've added the tomato, onion, chili and capsicum along with the garlic. I've added paprika and salt. I'll also add the Italian seasoning and bring this to a rapid boil and cook this on medium flame. I've added the garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Now all of this has to cook on medium flame. The water should completely evaporate and all the ingredients should cook thoroughly. We need to grind this further and prepare the sauce. So you can see the water is nicely boiling and the ingredients are cooking. The moisture should completely evaporate. So at this point the moisture has evaporated. It roughly took me about 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame and all the ingredients are cooked well. I'm going to remove it from the flame, allow it to cool. While this is cooling, I'm going to prepare the chicken. So chicken breast is cubed, washed and reserved. We need garlic powder, paprika powder and Italian seasoning. Apart from that we'll require butter, chili flakes and pepper powder. Very simple chicken that I'm preparing that we normally prepare and add on pizza toppings. So in a wok I've heated the butter. I'll add the chicken, chili flakes, pepper powder, garlic powder, paprika and Italian seasoning. We don't want the chicken to dry out, so I'm adding water and salt. I've added salt. I'll give this a good mix and cook it. Chicken breast cooks fast. As you can see, the moisture has evaporated and the chicken has cooked. It roughly took me about 10 minutes to cook the chicken. The chicken has cooked well. I'm going to remove it from the flame and reserve it. Now the ingredients for the pizza sauce is cooled down. I've added to the mixer jar and I'm going to grind it without adding water. So I've ground it into a smooth paste. I'll transfer this smooth paste to a wok. And whatever was left in the mixer jar, I've added 1/4 cup of water. And I've removed all that extra sauce and I've added it to the wok again. Now we'll bring it to a rapid boil. You can check for salt and add salt if required. Once the sauce boils, it's ready. Just remove it from the flame and reserve it. Now we'll start assembling the sauce in a oven safe dish. Here I'm using my fondue bowl itself. I've layered the sauce and on top of it I've layered the mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Little bit of pizza seasoning or Italian seasoning. I've layered the second layer. Don't waste the sauce, it's very nice and tasty. The cheese. If needed, you can add olives. I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of chili flakes and pizza seasoning. Now this you can bake in the oven at 450 degrees just before serving. We need to bake this for 10 minutes. I'll prepare all the condiments required for the dipping. I'm going to prepare all the condiments that we require for the dipping. I've already prepped and reserved French fries. We need paneer and capsicum. Capsicum I'm going to serve raw, and we also require chili flakes. And apart from that, it's up to you. You can use hot dogs, Italian seasoning, garlic powder and paprika powder. That's up to you. You can add paprika or leave it out. First, I'm going to start preparing the French fries. I'm going to fry this in batches. Before serving, I'm preparing all of this, and at this point you can place your pizza sauce in the oven and heat it up till the cheese melts. I'm also going to fry the paneer on medium flame. Since this is extra malai paneer, it turned light brown in color. Don't fry it too much, otherwise it turns out to be very hard. Now in a tawa, I've heated oil and I'm going to fry the hot dogs. My pizza sauce is ready. It's ready from the oven. It's nicely boiled and the cheese has melted. I'm going to serve it up. So once the hot dogs fries, I'll chop it into pieces and I'll serve it. Also, like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All the links to my social media will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. I've gone ahead and served my pizza fondue with all the condiments. It turned out very good. We really enjoyed it. Especially my parents, they really like this. It's a nice and hot and spicy sauce. It's also cheesy. So you just have to dip all the condiments in this cheesy sauce and eat it. It's very nice and tasty. Especially for monsoons, it's very nice and comforting. Do try this recipe, friends. Detailed recipe blog will be posted in the description box below this video. Do like, comment and subscribe, friends. All the links to my blog and social media will be posted in the description box below this video. Try this recipe and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.